Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Maximus and Lexter, and today we got another tech unboxing. Today we're looking at the Hue, these are called the Hue light bars, the Phillips Hue lights. So I think we've got a pack here of 3, which comes a pack of 2 and obviously the single. Now the reason I kind of treated myself, let's just get the way with, I had some Christmas money, everything's going on. I thought I'd brighten myself up and cheer myself up and cheer the house up as well. So what better way than having some fancy lights. I've often bought some of the cheaper strip lights and they've not worked, so I took the plunge and got something better. So yeah, so this is a single one. You've got a pack of 2. You do need, if you're starting up, this plug. One single plug can work 3 different lights. Now these are for entertainment areas. You can have them, not necessarily these ones, obviously you can get the Philips Hue light bulbs to go into your light bulb settings. These can be made to be standing up or to be sort of laying down, use this one, and shine upwards or however you want it on the floor. But another real purpose of these is actually to be placed behind your TV. One at the top and 2 each side, and the reason being for that is you can get what's called a sync box, which I haven't got. So yeah, you can get the sync box, and basically it lines up what you're playing on your TV with the lights, will make these lights kind of change it. So on the back of these boxes here, so you've got like warm lights, we've seen the front there, the top. So yeah, this is an extension one, so this doesn't come with the plug, but I say the one plug does 3, which is always handy. They got like 6.6 watts to 530 aluminum. They got like millions and millions of colours and enhancements. So this video may go not too long, but come into the section. I'm just going to do the unboxing and then we will go into the apps, because there's a couple of different apps, one for your phone and one for the PC, which link that up, and I'll show you how I've set them up. And later on this evening I will show you when it's a bit darker how it all works. So you open this box up, and on the top you do need the Philips bridge, and it's kind of like a link which you plug into your internet base, and it just links everything all up. So it just tells you that you got the install about downloading the app on the phone and downloading the app on the computer and sit back and enjoy. So again, you open it up, you've got a secondary information sheet there, and you've got do's and don'ts, a little manual, and there's the light itself. You can get black ones or white ones. So these are about I don't know, about 10 inches long, and I believe the cable that it comes with is about 2 meters. You can buy additional extension meters. Let's take that out there, that one over there. So inside here, so this one, we have got the stands, which I spoke about a moment ago. So these come with 2 stands, one like this, where you can put on there. Now these have got 2 holes, which comes with a screw and Allen key for there and there. So if you want it to stand upwards, you can fasten that onto there to make it stand upwards, or you can put the this one which got a slight curve in it, into the middle to have it upwards. Again, at the back, there's your Allen key. This is a double-sided sticky bit, so if you're going to connect it to the back of your TV, you can put this on here, put the double-sided sticky bits onto there and then fasten them. And that's what we'll be doing a bit later. But there's the single one. I just put them aside so we don't lose them. And the double one, you can buy single ones that do have the plug. They're just a bit more expensive because you've got to buy the plug bit with it as well. Now you can get obviously Hue strip lights. You haven't got to use these ones. Again, the box. There's the bridge. You've got compact visual, 16 million colours. Sync up your lights with music, games and music. Now we can do music. It's a little bit more difficult because my laptop's right there, but I'm going to be using them in the room over there. I can't move my laptop. Might sound weird, but it's hooked up, so I can't. And yeah, I could play the same thing in there, but anyway, we will show you that later with it synced up. I hope all goes well, of course. So a bigger box, so just basically a bigger version of what we've seen before, which is pretty good for the video because obviously hopefully you can see that a bit better. So say like set up your new hardware, you'll need the Hue lights. And so these are called light bars, these particular ones. Hue Play light bars, connect them all up to the Hue bridge. Basically that is when you plug them in, you have to push a button on the Hue bridge and it normally comes up pretty good. I won't worry too much about going through all that. There are plenty of videos out there for that. It is literally just plugging them in, going on your app, which I will show you a little bit later, but we won't go through the process of the setup and install because there's lots there and you literally just detect them, push the button on the bridge and they connect. You hope. Now they do. So yeah, install the Entertainment Hue bridge on your phone and on your computer. And there's. So here's the double. The same things pretty much, both should be the same apart from we've got a pack of two. So obviously under here is going to be what you've seen before, so there's no point in showing that. So I am going to now show you the app side of things, and then I will set them up and I'll show you how I set them up, and later on we will show you them in action. See you in a moment. Okay, so here is the Phillips Hue app on the main one on your phone. This is an iPhone obviously, so it might be driven on Android, but I have, let me just tip that up a little bit there. I have one light already in one room, which actually will probably come into this room. We're set up at the free. So yeah, so you've got your different rooms. You can give it new scenes, and by doing that you can, this is all the different colours, these 16 million. Now the good thing about these is also you can have a scenery, so like different sunsets or snow, different moonlighting, Christmas, what, you know, all these different colours. You can choose one and the light will match all these different scenes. Now you've got that, or you can use here, if you've got your own photos, you can use all different photos and it'll match colours in your photos. So you can add your own, which I think is really impressive and really good idea. You got in the settings, you got your Hue bridge, which is connected. So now you've got your rooms, your zones, your lights set up, so if you've got new lights, accessories, because this does, you can buy accessories from controllers, motion sensors, you can even get outdoor lights, power up behaviours and entertainment areas, which is where you can create like this. So if you've got like the 3 lights, and this is what I'll be doing later. So at the moment I've just got 1 light to say this back, but you can move these around. So when you've got 3, you can put it either side of the TV or wherever they are, and then you can save the position of where they are. You can call each room differently. Yeah, you can change the name of each room. So that is, again, without thoroughly going in it, as I say, there are different pre-built. Now it's turned on and it's green at the moment. Turn it off, it's that. It does also work with Alexa. I've seen it responds. So you can do the voice control as well. But anyway, let's take a quick look at the computer app. So this is on the computer, which gives you a bit, I won't say a bit more control, but again on here you can turn your lights on and off. And so I've only got 1 at the moment. You can control how strong the light is by sliding the bar, which you can do on the app as well by dimming it and making it brighter. Now of course here are the scenes, which again you can choose from here, and you've also got some pre-built like relaxing, reading, light mode. You can also set these to come up and on in like the morning to wake up, and then also set them to dim down during the night to bedtime. So you've got games, so if you are playing games you can have how much they move and interact. You can sync them up, playing music and videos. So again you can do that. Now you do need the sync box to do it properly, but if you watched a movie via your computer, you can probably link your computer up to your TV. Same as your games, if you're playing a game on your laptop, if you're a laptop computer PC gamer, and you can have your lights doing that. But if you're like me, who plays mostly games on the consoles, then, and your movies not so much through PC, you really need to get hold of the sync box to make it work properly. Yeah, the other thing you could do is start saving on your laptop and have it pretty much the same time going on in another room if you're linking that way. But yeah, you could lose it a little bit by doing that. So yeah, so you need to download the Hue Sync. On the phone there is Hue Sync and also the Hue app. The Hue Sync is what does connect the box up. But if you're playing a bit of music, excuse me, you can play some music and all the lights will flash like a disco basically. So these are the apps for them. I will soon, next bit, show you how we set them up. Okay, so this is a quick look of what they like turned on. That is just like, okay, here's on the app. So if we do like the sunset here, you see the change of colours, and you can literally adjust as I swipe it down. So if you're watching the football, you can turn it green. If you want a bit of pink in your life, blue, or so much. And if you push this one here, you've got your different whites, like your warm white, your bright white. You've got some scenes here. So if you want to like relax, there it goes to that. So I just thought I'd show you that and to give you an idea of that as well. Okay, on to the next bit. Welcome back to the dark, everybody. Yes, in front of us is the setup. Here is the app back. Okay, so let's turn some lights on, see what colours we got. So that is, well, you can see, just move that back a bit. There we go. Got a green, we got a blue there. So a green, a yellow. I'll just position the camera correctly. Here we go. So, as I said before, you got the some. These are just some pre-light things. Got like a sunset there, spring blossom. This is a relaxing colour. Yeah, that's on. So you can change the brightness, lower it right down. Depends on what mood you want. Hey, that's energized. So you want to wake up feeling energized. Again, you can move these around. You can have all same colour or different colours. 3 lights, so you can turn individual ones off. You can say turn them on and off just by all off, all on. There's the whites, normal white, warm white. And you've got these other preloaded apps as well. And you can get others. As I say, you can make your own. You can get others. Palm Beach. There we go. So all these varying lights. Now, as I said about playing some music. So this is, I'm not going to play music in here. I've got music set up in another room. So I'm just going to turn on, because that's linked to the PC which you explained earlier, and you'll see the disco effect. So there's a disco effect, some music playing, different room. But obviously if you've got a laptop or something else in the same room, you can change it. But this is similar to how it would be if you're recording and watching the TV. Not so jazzy, because obviously this is disco, but how lights can change to different effects. Even with this disco mode, you can change it. But so as you can probably see, we've got one light on the side here, one light positioned at the top, one light positioned that side. So we've got 3 lights behind that TV. So yeah, so all I need now is Phillips to let us have a sync box and we can show the TV. Oh, which does remind me, I'm just going to stop that a second. Now one of the good advantages of this is if you're watching TV, just turn the TV on here, just pause it. So if you're watching your TV in the dark, sometimes you're watching in the dark, you haven't got the black background, obviously. So if you turn the lights off, you look at the TV like that. Turn them on, of course you can power it down. It's actually better for your eyes rather than having the dark LED lights. So of course you can just say change each one to the colour you want individually. Actually, I'm going to put that green, and I'm going to put Hue on green. I'm going to watch the football in a minute, but there we go. Turn them up a bit. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and there's some Hue lights video. Obviously please join us for other things on the channel. Thank you very much everyone. Bye.